Hey, what's up guys? Here we have a fidget spinner from Premsense, but this one is a normal fidget spinner, no fancy lights, nothing. The package is little actually heavy. Let me open it. Okay, so yeah, it's heavy. So as you can see, it's covered with bubble wrap, not that great packing, but still does the job. Let me just open again. Okay, it feels really good. Alright, let me show you. It's the plastic is really good. So these are bearings. It actually has four, the three on the sides and the middle one is also a bearing. Okay, let me give you a closer look and how fast it can go. Wow, as you can see, it's not a slow motion, it's spinning really fast. Anyhow, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.